Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your FBS account. And for this we click here on the profile icon and then we go to profile settings. And to verify your account they want all these 5 red marked information from you. So you start right here with filling in a survey, and those are questions that I need to know from you. So fill in everything correctly. Then we go back and then you go to proof of ID, upload your ID right here with your ID number right there, and then your national client identifier number and your date of birth, and then do send. And then we go back. Then we click on proof of residence and upload a proof of residence right here. Then we go back and then you need to upload a financial proof. So upload a bank account. And then as last, we need to upload our tax number. And then after those 5 options, you've verified your account and then you're ready to go. So this is how you can verify your account on FBS. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.